Stay tuned for my 4 tips for helping when your protective style is too tight. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 4 tips that you can use when your protective style is too tight. So I have done these butterfly faux locks. Absolutely loving them. This is day 4 now with these faux locks. So on day 1, my scalp was a bit sore. So if you haven't seen the video where I installed these faux locks, make sure you check that out. But in today's video, we're gonna talk about 4 things that you can do to help when your protective style is too tight. Because the point of a protective style is to help to maintain the length that you're achieving while your hair is growing. It's to protect your hair. So we're not out here with a protective style that's snatching our edges or that's too tight and giving us a headache. Like, it's not that deep, sis. Or bruh. Don't do it. But I'm gonna give you some tips that you can use to help when your protective style is a little too tight. Keep on watching. Tip number 1, take some Tylenol, Advil, Motrin, Excedrin, whatever your pain reliever of choice is, take some. Take it the day before, take it a couple of hours before the install, and take it every 4 to 6 hours depending on the pain reliever that you use. It will help. Pain relievers reduce inflammation and they help with the pain. So take some pain medicine. Now, I am not one to take pills. I hate taking medication, but if I'm in pain, I'm gonna take some medicine and you should do the same. So that is tip number 1, take some sort of pain medication. Tip number 2, and the one that I absolutely love the most, add some steam to your scalp. Now, I happen to have a hair steamer. However, if you don't have a hair steamer, you can put a wet towel, or you can put a towel in some boiling hot water, or you can put a wet towel in the microwave for about 2 minutes to get it really hot, and just put that towel on top of your head and let that steam just soak into your scalp to loosen it up a little bit. So again, as for me, I have a hair steamer. So I sat under my hair steamer for about 20 minutes. I did this twice a day for the first 2 days, and it definitely helped to loosen up my scalp. But before sitting under my steamer, let me show you what I use. So I went in with the Mish Beauty Eucalyptus and Mint Stimulating Scalp Oil. This scalp oil says it awakens your scalp with the cooling and stimulating blend of eucalyptus and fresh peppermint. This worked amazing. So I applied this into my scalp and then sat under my steamer, and my scalp felt so good. So tip number 2, use a steamer or a hot towel on your scalp to open it up. And make sure you are adding some sort of oil with peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, something to get that scalp opened up. Thank me later. Tip number 3 is to go in with a leave-in conditioner and massage it into your scalp. My leave-in conditioner of choice is Midnight Train leave-in conditioner from Uncle Funky's daughter. I do have a discount code that I'll link above and also in the description box. But this, not only is it a great leave-in conditioner, but it smells amazing. So I just take this, spray it all over my scalp and also on the length of my locks. And this does the trick. So tip number 3, add some leave-in conditioner. And I prefer a spray leave-in conditioner, of course, as opposed to some sort of cream. And this one is definitely a good one. So tip number 3, add some leave-in conditioner. Tip number 4, last but not least, is go in with a good oil for a good scalp massage. And my oil of choice is the Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum from Camille Rose Naturals. So I'll apply this all over my scalp and just give myself a good scalp rub. Can turn the locks to help loosen them up some. Good scalp massage always does the trick. These are my 4 tips to help when your protective style is too tight. Again, I have faux locks in, but you can use these tips for braids, for twists, for locks, whatever protective style you're doing. If it's feeling a little tight on your scalp, use these 4 tips and thank me later. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried these tips before or if you have some additional tips that you like to share with us. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned something new. If you have, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.